Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to show you guys the different cooktop options available on the Heco cookstoves. So basically these cooktop options are going to be available on the Heco, on the 520 and the smaller 420 model. Featured here we do have the solid polished steel cooktop. So as you can see, it is solid all the way around the stove. There is no front railing option on this. It does come with 2 removable plates. Again, you're not going to be able to drop the pan down and do wok style cooking. You can also get the stove available in 3-piece cooktop options. The stove will be priced standard with a 3-piece polished steel. So that's going to be the same kind of material as this. Some people think it looks more brushed. I show you guys the footage up close here on how discoloration can happen. So if you don't want any kind of discoloration, or if you're putting this in an outdoor kitchen, you would definitely opt to go with the all porcelain. Some people don't want porcelain because they're afraid of scratches or something falling off. I would say honestly, surface scratches on a porcelain cooktop are a heck of a lot less noticeable than discoloration on a polished steel. So it kind of depends just how particular you are in general. Personally, I prefer the porcelain enamel cooktop option. Right now, I think it's like in the $250 or maybe a little bit more than that upgrade option to add the porcelain. Keep in mind, pricing can change as the years pass, etc. So it kind of depends if that's worth it to you. But I would say if you want to keep the stove looking clean and nice, it's worth it to add the porcelain cooktops. I also recommend them on the J.A. Roby cookstoves as well. Here I want to show you guys up close the polished steel cooktop, what that looks like. Some people say it should be called brushed steel, not polished steel. Just want to show you guys how it looks. Now, you can kind of see like the stove hasn't even been burnt. This is just from stuff sitting on the top of the stove. Moisture in the air, and this isn't even outside. But that's the kind of discoloration that you get on a polished steel. If you want to avoid that, then you would choose to do the porcelain cooktop, which I do show in other videos, but it'll essentially be porcelain like this. So, I mean, you can see me, nice, reflective, super easy to wipe off and keep clean. Some people do just prefer the look of this solid cooktop. Again, no front railing, nothing like that. I should show you guys under here. So here's gonna be the top baffle that covers, you know, over half of this whole cook plate. So, you know, you're not really gonna get that direct flame technically. If you like try and lift that up, you'll see that there is air tubes located underneath. So you're not gonna be able to like fully pull that out and drop a pot down in there. So keep that in mind because that's the main reason. Also, if this cooktop does need to be replaced, you can see it's like fully welded on. This whole cooktop would have to be cut off and re-welded on in the event you did ever need to replace it. That's why the 3-piece options are, I think, a little easier for replacement. Okay, let's get up close and personal. We're gonna start here with the Heco 520. Porcelain enamel cooktop, available in 3 pieces. This makes it very easy to replace your cooktop if ever needed. It stays extremely clean, does not discolor at all. Some people might say it's a downfall. You'll notice there's no removable plates on the top of the stove. So you don't have direct access to the flame for wok style cooking. The reason the Heco does not have that is because it is a full EPA style firebox. There's actually reburn tubes and baffles that would block you from reaching the flame anyways. Now this cooktop is available in a polished steel finish as well if you choose. So I really hope that you guys find these product overviews helpful. We really try and make it easy for you guys to see exactly the kind of product that you're getting. Make sure that you understand all of the available options on the stove that you're interested in and what is going to be the best option for you guys. If you like my videos, please don't forget, give them a thumbs up, click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.